Reusing our original bathroom mirror made a lot of sense considering its large size. If we could manage cutting its dimensions to fit our bathroom remodel and then frame it, it's yet another big cost savings for our project. First step was to remove the mirror from its spring-loaded clips and store it out of the way. Doing our research on cutting mirrors, we chose to use the Toyo TC17 oil feed cutting wheel. For around $30, it's designed for straight line heavy glass cutting. This is not a job to skimp on a cheap knockoff cutter. There's no second chance when cutting a mirror. The Toyo T17 comes with a filler bulb. We used it to load the GAI glass cutting oil. Ideally, you'd want to place your mirror on a large work table, but to avoid moving the mirror outside, we set up to work on the upstairs hallway floor with the help of our cat Lucy. Scoring the mirror with a straight edge is critical. On the side cut, we were able to use a T-square ruler for our straight edge. You need to apply even pressure without stopping throughout the entire score pass. You should hear the wheel piercing the glass when done properly. Once the scoring is complete, gently slip a straight edge under the mirror up to the score line. We went a little bit overboard with the height of this 2x2. As you'll see in a minute with the next cut, a 3/4 inch thick support is more than enough. We thought that the extra height might be necessary due to the give in the carpet underneath. I've seen video where just the thickness of a straight edge ruler is sufficient when the mirror is laying on a rigid surface. Wearing your gloves, quickly snap down on the edge to be removed while applying even pressure along the edge. For the longer side-to-side cut, we're using a completely straight trim piece for scoring and holding it in place with double-sided tape. As mentioned previously, scoring the mirror properly is very important. This longer cut had us concerned, so we made sure that the glass cutting line would be exact. Once again, you need to apply an even pressure without stopping throughout the entire scoring pass, pressing hard enough as to hear the wheel piercing the glass. Then again, gently slip a straight edge under the mirror up to the score line. With our gloves on, this time using a 2x4 on top to help even out the down pressure across the width of the mirror, we quickly push down to snap along the cut line. As we get closer to finishing our bathroom remodel, here we've taken measurements for the positioning of the mirror, its framing, and the placement of our vanity lighting. Building the vanity is next up. So be sure to like and subscribe and take a look at our bathroom remodel playlist here at DIY Boomers to see the entire process to this point. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.